Hello, welcome, welcome. It's Ambi from AmbeeRay Nails, and today I'm going to teach you how to do this cute little bunny butt design with nothing but dotting tools. So if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that like button so you don't miss any of my tutorials. And let's get right into it. I have done a base coat here of like a really pretty periwinkle, almost turquoisey blue. And I'm going to go in with my black, and I'm just going to use the brush straight out of the bottle here. All of the products I'm using today are from Canny. And I'm just going to make my little bunny body here. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do this whole design today using nothing but dotting tools. So we're going to get some black on our biggest dotting tool, and we're just going to make our bunny head. Now, bunnies have chubby little cheeks, so you want to make it pretty wide. Am I even in frame here? These cheeks go out almost more oval than circle, just because you want those chubby little cheeks in there. Perfect, just like that. Okay, and now we're gonna do our ears. If you're scared of screwing up what you did, you can go ahead and freeze it in your lamp. And then we're going to get some more black on our dotting tool, and we're just going to make some little ears here. There we go. Now he's got his little ears on. So let's go ahead and freeze this in the lamp here. Actually, let's cure it for the whole minute because we're going to do the little tail next. Okay, now that your bunny is cured, we're going to go ahead and take a much smaller dotting tool. I'm just going to get some white on it. And we're just going to make a little fluffy bunny tail. We're just going to do little dots. Oop, I hit the camera. We're just going to do little dots because we want to make it fuzzy, not completely round, because bunny tails are not round. Perfect. We're gonna put that back in the lamp. Okay, that time I only cured it for 30 seconds because now I am going to do some little flowers around him. Oh, let's get in frame. I'm having problems with that today. I don't know what's going on with me. We're just gonna make some quick, easy little flowers all around. And maybe one more down here. Perfect. Freeze that in your lamp. 30 seconds. Okay, now all we have to do is fill in these little middle parts of the flowers with some yellow. And there we go. Let's put that in the lamp, and then we can go ahead and top coat it. Okay, I know I said we were going to top coat now, but I'm going to teach you guys a little trick. You see how it's all lumpy bumpy? That will show up on your top coat. So I'm going to take some base coat first. And I am going to do a nice layer of base coat on here, kind of thick, so that it will fill in some of those bumps, so you won't feel that when you top coat it. Back in the lamp, 1 minute. Okay, and now we can top coat. I'm going to use my glow-in-the-dark top coat. I'm going to go real thin so it doesn't dull the black at all, because the glow-in-the-dark will do that. Give that a cure. And there you go. Your cute little bunny butt with a little fluffy tail. And this is what they look like on. Cute little fuzzy bunny butts that you can do with nothing but a set of dotting tools. Make sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great and beautiful day, friends.